If the client gets to the end of the proof and they require no changes or alterations, all they need to do to approve this album for print is click up here and click on Approve for Print. The pop-up window will get them to check exactly which one it is they want to approve. So as we've gone through the sample album, we'll select sample album. They have to initial to understand what they have approved will print exactly as they have proofed it, meaning there are no further issues with clients saying that the album isn't how they looked. They literally have to initial to approve the fact that they have approved it. They click send. This then sends an email back to us to tell us that the client has approved the album for print. And this is how the email looks. You will get an email to say designs have been approved, and you can see that the client has initialed to say that they have approved the album layout. It's now down to you to make contact with the client for the next steps.